Masruq narrated that he once went to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha and asked, O mother of the believers, has the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam seen his Lord? She replied, Glory be to Allah, your question has caused my hair to stand on end. Why do you not reflect on these three things? Whoever claims that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has seen his Lord is a liar. Whoever claims that he knows what will happen tomorrow is a liar. Whoever claims that he has concealed something from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a liar. Then she recited the following verses. No vision can grasp him, but his grasp is over all vision. He is the most subtle, well acquainted, and he is not questioned about what he does, but he will be questioned. And Allah knows what is in the heavens and the earth, and He has knowledge of what you conceal and what you declare. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha further said, and if anyone tells you that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has concealed something, he is a liar. Read the verse, O Messenger, announce that which has been revealed to you from your Lord. And if you do not, then you have not conveyed his message, and Allah will protect you from the people. Quran Surah 5 verse 67. However, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did see Gabriel in his true form twice. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23138.